This is day 2, or first day of Monterey Car Week. It actually sounds good for stock, not gonna lie.
It sounds really good for stock. For being a relatively quiet car too, it sounds good.
Imagine when you were in your 3RS going through here.
Oh, we were sliding everywhere.
Oh my god.
We were sliding every corner.
Dude, that must have been so fun. That's how you start off the morning. Are those rocks coming in here?
Yeah, we got that young PPS though.
Gotta wear a helmet in here. I've gotten hit in the neck so many times. Dude, some crazy cars right there. What is that?
Oh, it's a Ruggiero. No way. What's the top speed car we saw this one?
Everyone has the doors up. Damn. Just cruise by, next spot.
Isn't this unreal, man?
It is.
Like, where else are you gonna get to do this for a week?
And it's cool because it's such a small town, so like everywhere you go, you're gonna see a bunch of cars like this.
And everyone's driving their cars. That's the best part.
Yeah, dude. Fucking $3 million cars on the road right now.
They just don't care.
I'm gonna take you guys around the hotel that we're staying at. There's crazy cars at almost every single hotel you go to in the parking lot. Look at this clean ass NSX with T37s. Damn, this thing's actually really sick. Holy shit. Look at this lineup right here. Clean E46. Just got a LaFerrari. I think these are called Hennessy's. And I just noticed that there's like no Ferrari that actually has a wing. I thought the LaFerrari had a wing for some reason. There's so many cars here that I've never even heard of. Last night, we went to this parking structure of a hotel, and there was a Porsche there that was worth $2 million that I thought was probably worth like maybe like 200K. It was like an older Porsche. So it's just crazy, like you see so many cars out here that you've never seen before, or cars that you've never even heard of. There's cars that are here that there's only like 10 in the world, and you'll see them here. You'll see like 5 of them here. And finally seeing something cool.
That's sick.
No, don't park next to my shit.
I'll ram your shit.
Hour, dude. love your car. It's beautiful. I don't know why, but everyone's down here, so I came down here. Crazy looking Lambo. And we got a Koenigsegg. Oh, it's Stradvan. That's why everyone's down here. A 997 GT2 RS. This is crazy. Wow. This is the dream right here. The last GT2 RS in a manual. 997 GT3 and a 300ZX. This is my other dream car. And look at this. A black 350Z Nismo. There's a quick shout out for you. God damn. Holy. Bro, rock chips are crazy on this. Alright guys, it's late at night right now. It's like gonna be like 1 in the morning and I'm not tired, and Belle and Sarah are pretty tired. So he was like, you're more than welcome to take the R8 out if you want. And it's 1 in the morning, so I was like, alright. So he gave me the keys. So we're gonna go take the R8 out for a little cruise. Should be fun. Brought the GoPro with me. Got some POVs. We got Sarah's Porsche right here. We got a McLaren, forget what kind. Got a blue NSX on T37s. Hold up. We got an Aston Martin. All of this is just at the hotel we're staying at, which is crazy. We got a Urus 720S. Got an Audi. We got an SVJ. And then we got a full carbon Koenigsegg. Just chilling here. Isn't this crazy? Wait, it's not over yet. We got a Lotus right here. And then we got another McLaren right there, and a Urus. Alright, let's go take the R8 out, go for a little cruise in downtown. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's crazy, like you just hear cars flying by all day right here because we're right by the freeway. You hear that? Oh, he's going that way. And our room is right up there, so we just leave the window open and you just hear SVJs and Porsches flying all night. It's so sick. It's my favorite. There's so many Porsches. It's like they're so popular right now. Alright, let's see. Where's sport mode? I forget how to use these. Oh, there we go. Performance. A little checker flag right there. At first I was like, no, I don't want to take the car out without you. And then I was like, I kind of want to go out actually. I don't feel like being inside the hotel room. A GT3! Hell yeah! That GT3 sounded so sick! Oh, that made my night. Man, it had to be a car I love too. Oh my god. Those pops. I love it. Sick ass GT3. Let's go right. Don't you guys love the sound of the V10? Sounds so good. Imagine with an exhaust, holy shit. It'd be insane. What an experience to get to drive the R8 out in Monterey during Car Week. My first time at Car Week. The things I get to experience are so cool. Just from having really cool, nice friends with cool things, cool cars, and like being able to get invited to go to the DDE and Gumball private cruise from LA, from their warehouse all the way up to Monterey together was insane. That was so much fun. We're getting invited to private parties with them. We get invited to the DDE house whenever we want. We can go there, drink, whatever. It's so cool. Right here is where they have a huge auction. They have a crazy collection of cars over here. Like some really rare cars that I don't even know of. Like, look at this thing. All of these cars are up for auction. Hey, buddy. What's up? Look at this guy. I'm not gonna get close. Oh, my boy just sneezed. Bro, back up. Why is he sneezing? That was nasty. Bless you, sir. Hey. Damn. Damn. My boy's sick. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys inside this parking structure where there's a bunch of crazy cars everywhere. Oh, security's down there, dang it. I'm gonna show you guys this 4-door Ferrari that I think they made 6 of these. It's a 4-door and it's right-hand drive. I didn't know this thing was rare until one of my friends started freaking out yesterday about it. And it's a gated 6-speed. 997 turbo. Oh, this is the car that made me fall in love with Porsches. It's a Turbo S. Back in like 2017, when I was working at the Ritz-Carlton doing valet, I drove one of these and I fell in love with them. Ever since then, I've loved Porsches. Is this a GT4 RS? It is. Weissach? That's sick. This is the car that I saw my first night here, and I guess this is like a $1 or $2 million Porsche right here. Look at the color on this. The interior is beautiful. Like, if I saw this, I would not think this is a $1 million car, but I guess it is. Did not see this. What is it, 997 GT3 RS? This is my dream car right here. A 997 GT3 RS or a 997 GT3, and then you have a GT2 RS. This is insane. Definitely gonna take the green one over the silver one though, but I'll still take any of them. But honestly, I'll take any Porsche. I love all these cars. Look at this. I didn't see this. 991.1 GT3 RS. My homie Bo, which is the one that I'm down here with that let me use the R8, had one of these. If you guys remember on my older videos from like maybe 2 years ago or a year ago, he had one of these and we would take it out almost every day. It was so much fun. It was so loud, sounded so good, and he sold it. Bro, what is this? I don't even know what this is. What is this, a Ferrari? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Lamborghini? It's a manual 4-speed? Okay, we gotta find out what this thing is. I have no idea what this car is, but it looks like a mixture of a Lambo and kind of a Ferrari at the same time. Do you guys know that revuelto means scrambled eggs in Spanish? It's kind of funny they named it revuelto. I think this garage has probably the sickest collection right now of just random cars parked in the parking lot. Beautiful 964, 993, also one of my dream cars right here. Really like the 993s. 964s are sick, but I really like how it looks a little bit more modern and roundish on the body. And it's a turbo. So sick. Got a Turbo S 996. pretty much you can just go out to any parking structure out in Monterey or anywhere on the street, and you're just gonna catch supercars anywhere. So pretty sick thing to experience, but it's really expensive. So like if you're trying to stay at a hotel, Airbnb, or anything during this time, everything is super expensive. It's almost like they do it on purpose to push all of the non-wealthy people away, but at the same time they raise up the prices because of how busy it gets here. So it's probably why, like the room we're staying in is like for 4 nights or 5 nights, I think like $7,000, but any other week it's probably gonna be like $800. So it's crazy. It's 2:26 in the morning. I'm just out here car spotting. I would love to have one of these. And one of these is Senna, of course. This thing is so sick. Look at the orange inside, looks so cool. It's like a mint green, it's so clean. This is really nice. Mr. Manuel, yes sir. That's what I'm talking about. This is what we're driving. Such a nice spec. Got all of the carbon options. You see this color in the sun? It's actually got some really nice flake to it. Such a nice color. If I got an R8, it would definitely be in this spec right here. This is super clean. All right. Let's head out.